What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today...
Oh, who loves the flow of this? Sure. The emotion, the power, then it just explodes. Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today we're going to be reacting to Oh My Girl's Lemonade and Tear Rain. So, guys, we are back with some more Oh My Girl. We are getting into two more B-sides from them. This time, some Japanese B-sides from the Japanese album that came after the what was the album called? The Non-Stop album. And I believe, I don't actually remember what this album was called, but this album is supposedly going after that one. And I am excited to be checking out some more B-sides of Oh My Girl. We are very, very close to the end of their discography, which is super bittersweet, because that means we will probably be stopping for now, at least on the channel, with their reactions until, of course, we get more music from them. Unless there's like a lot of different covers and stuff we can check out. Maybe there's even OST. So please do let me know in the comments if there are other songs outside of like their so-called official discography, you know, OSTs, covers, anything that you'd like me to react to from Oh My Girl. But for now, we'll start off with these two songs, and I'm thinking let's go right into the first one, Lemonade. All right. I'll go for some kind of drink after that pouring sound in the beginning. Ooh, lovely vibration there. Hey. Really nice instrumental there. Love that guitar. Hey. Hey. Okay. Damn. Wow, that's good. Oh, love that bright vocal jung arrived at. That was nice. But bringing that guitar back in. All right. Oh, we have a little build here. Back to the chorus. These synths that are happening in the chorus fit so perfectly to the song, you know? Hitting those notes. Oh, that was really gorgeous. That's Shua. Wow, okay. That was a very nice and summery song here from Oh My Girl. It's called Lemonade. It's very much about lemonade, and it's about the time where you drink lemonade, which is obviously at the heights of summer. It's when it's hot out, you need to get something refreshing. And I think that's actually what that sure part means. It's like either, isn't it like cold or like refreshing? Something like that. I think it's like refreshing when you, or it's like a automatopoeia for when you drink something that's like cold and refreshing. Something along those lines at least. And that was nice. It really fits well with the song because of how refreshing the song itself also is. It's giving you a lot of that happy energy, and it's like, okay, are you tired right now? Well, listen to this song, you're not tired anymore. Something along those lines. And I absolutely enjoy when Oh My Girl gets these kinds of songs out, which I feel like they've been doing a lot in their you know, most recent albums. I feel like they've done a lot of summer-esque music, and I absolutely love that kind of music, and I think Oh My Girl excel at it so much. But we've got one more to check out for this video, which sounds like it might not be as uplifting. It's called Tear Rain. Let's go. It might not be sad. Love the intro there from Seunggi. Wow! These vocals that we're getting into. Damn. Damn, this is good. Hey. Ooh. What, that whole vocal, wow, fluctuation there. Really going back and forth from energy to relax, you know. Ow! These really soft vocals that they're staying at in this bright, it's amazing. Hey, a little change up here. It feels like we're just building towards that final chorus, you know? Hey, okay, never mind. Ooh. Gotta get that rap, it's sufficient. Hey. Wow. Okay, we bring it all the way down before the last chorus. We are. Oh. Oh, instrumentals here is nice. Like that syncopation before we bring everything in. And it's coming now. Wow. Damn, that was Oh My Girl's Tear Rain. What a really nice song to actually get into. A very subtly and soft way to kind of brighten your day listening to this song, which is not at all what I was expecting as it was titled Tear Rain. I thought we were gonna get into something, you know, slow, maybe even emotional, something ballad like I thought we were getting into, but no, we are staying within something that gives us a slight bit of energy. It's giving us, or more so energy, it's giving us happiness. It kind of feels like a, albeit what the song is about, it feels like this is someone who's trying to console us, you know? We are the ones who are sad, we are the ones under this tear rain trying to hide the sadness, but someone has noticed our sadness, and that is these members, and they are, you know, coming here to kind of console us, trying to help us be happy again. That's the kind of feeling I'm getting from this song, which is super nice feeling, and it is a gorgeous vocal registry that we're singing throughout. It's super soft, it's very high, and it's, despite it being that high, it's still super soft, which I absolutely loved. It's keeping this haziness to it, which again keeps it very comforting and very caring, which I like. But yeah, guys, that was Oh My Girl's Lemonade and Tear Rain, two gorgeous songs here from Oh My Girl. The first one giving us that summer energy. It's a song that, well, funnily enough, it feels like both of these songs are trying to brighten our day. Lemonade is more so a song that is like, okay, you're having like a normal day, now it's time to be partying, now it's time to feel that summer vibe come towards you and just be happy, while Tear Rain is like, brighten our day as in we're sad, we're trying to hide it in the rain, you know. That's when people always talk about crying, because then people cannot, or well, in the shower or something, then people cannot, you know, see that you're actually crying. And then this song feels like someone has noticed it despite us trying to hide it, and now they're trying to, you know, help us recover, help us, you know, convey our feelings, help us become happy again. And I actually love that way of creating a song, and I love that way of adding an emotion to a song, and both of these songs just work perfectly. But let me know what you guys thought about Oh My Girl's Lemonade and Tear Rain down in the comments below, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.